Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. If you saw the last vlog, you know that Brayden is now gone for a couple months, which has been really hard. It's only been like not even a half of a day, but oh man, I am in love with that guy. I'm grateful for hard things like this because it just means that if I wasn't sad that he was leaving, that would be like pretty messed up, right? You know, like that would mean I probably didn't care that much. So I'm grateful for, you know, the fact that I have a love this strong and that it is hard when, you know, we have to be parts. So much gratitude today, and that's what I'm gonna focus on. I am going to the Disney parks today by myself for the first time. I was gonna leave earlier in the day, but I just kind of like decided to take today one step by one step and just kind of wake up when felt right. I totally thought my neighbors were gonna wake me up super early again, but they decided to be quiet today for some reason. I don't know like why. Sometimes they're so freaking loud, and then sometimes like I'm like, are you on vacation now? Like, are you just not home? Because you're usually super freaking loud. So we are gonna go to Magic Kingdom today, which this will be my first time going to Magic Kingdom as an annual pass holder. There's so many firsts, and I'm celebrating every single one because it's just fun to celebrate, you know, why not? Yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do there. I might go on some rides. It just depends on how long I have to wait. I don't know, maybe I'll feel in the mood to wait for something today because I have to like, you know, post on my phone anyway. So sometimes I'm like, well, if I wait, then at least I have time to do that, you know? So maybe I will get on some rides and just kind of look at wait times and see what's going on with that. It is summer, and it also, Magic Kingdom is, I feel like, the most popular park, especially because it's the most kid-friendly park, and of course, you know, people take their kids to Disney, so it's probably gonna be pretty busy. But really, like, my main thing, like the only thing I really want is I just want to see the castle. That is my thing. That is the goal today, is seeing the castle. If nothing else happens today, I will still feel like I had a good day because I went and saw the castle. So that is the #1 thing we're doing. I'm also getting some content for TikTok, Instagram, you know. I'm gonna do a video on eating in Disney World's Magic Kingdom in under $30. So I have like a list of things I'm gonna go get and just kind of teach people how to eat the Disney snacks on a budget because it gets expensive. I'm gonna do that because I just feel like that would be helpful for some people. Follow my TikTok if you want to see that. I'll have it linked in the description below. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Other thing I wanted to do was look for a backpack. I want a Loungefly, but I also want like a big backpack. So I think my priority is a big backpack. I don't know when I'm gonna get a Loungefly because I was thinking about it, and I need my tripod if I'm going to the parks by myself, you know, and if I want to film TikToks and stuff. So I am going to have to find a bag that will fit the tripod, and I was hoping to get a Disney one. You know, I might just end up ordering one from Amazon, but I kind of want to look at the Main Street shops. My favorite place to shop in Disney World is the Main Street shops. Like, I love going to those shops. They have such unique stuff in those. Like, I swear to you, the stuff you find in those shops, you can't find at Disney Springs. What? She was getting used to like being here, and she started to like being here, and now that Brayden's gone, I think she's like, okay, what's happening right now? It's now 10:20, so hopefully we can get there like before 11:30. I get free parking as a Disney annual pass holder, which if you didn't know that, you get free parking. I'm usually like the girl that is hitting every single ride, doing everything I possibly can in a short amount of time, which I can do a video on that too. So if you want, you know, to know how to actually get the most out of your Disney trip and to go on all the rides, and you're more of a ride person and not like an experience person. Some people like to just kind of walk around the parks, experience the ambiance, you know, they're not like into the rides, but I would say most people want to hit everything because they spend a lot of money and they're probably not gonna be back for a while. So and that's usually what I do, is I'm like, okay, well, I'm like, I don't know when I'm gonna be back, so I'm gonna just hit everything that I possibly can, and I wanna hit all the rides. So that's usually how I do the parks, and I would say I'm very good at doing that. So if you want a video on how to do that, then please comment below. I can't wait to see the castle. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to take you along with me. I'm just gonna finish my makeup here and get dressed and we'll be ready to go. I had the cutest Disney bound outfit picked out, but I can't wear it because I have sun blisters and they're peeling really bad and I don't want to show that part of my skin to the sun. It's hot here. I'm gonna finish this up and then we will head to Disney. We're here. I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous a little bit to do this by myself because I want to get some pictures and I want to not have to like hopefully ask anyone to help me because I want to just like be able to do it on my own, but we might have to ask for some help. This is the hat I'm wearing today. I got this when I was, how old was I? I think I was 18. Yeah, when I went to Disneyland for my senior trip. It was so fun. And I went with my choir class and it was a really fun time. And now I'm wearing it again. I don't think I've like really worn it since then. I think I've worn it once after that maybe, but yeah, I haven't pulled that out in a while. So I thought it'd be cute to wear today because I have to wear this shirt that covers most of my sunburn. I did bring sunscreen today, so that's good. And we're gonna head to the parks. Also, by the way, the gas is way cheaper here than it is in Utah. So I'm very grateful for that. I'm sort of here. If you're not familiar with Magic Kingdom or Disney World, it takes a while to get to Magic Kingdom. First you park your car, then you take a tram from the parking lot to this area where you go through security, and then you either take a ferry or a monorail to get to the Magic Kingdom. So it takes a minute, so plan on a lot of time for that if you're trying to rope drop. But I'm not rope dropping, and so I'm just happy to be here. And it's weird being here by myself, but here I am. Here's my outfit for the day. Just got biker shorts and a t-shirt that's gonna cover my sunburn. It's weird to be vlogging by myself, but nobody seems to be like caring or noticing, so that's good. walked in right as the parade started. And what a way to walk into Magic Kingdom. I'm not gonna cry because I already cried enough yesterday, but this time there'll be happy tears because I can't believe I live here now. Like I can just come here whenever I want to. Let's go down Main Street. There is the beautiful castle. Right there. This might be the hottest day that I've been here. My camera is like hot to the touch. I hope it doesn't overheat so that I can finish this vlog, but everyone's so happy still. It's amazing to see. Everyone's so excited and everyone's laughing and blowing bubbles. And I just love it here. First stop is Tomorrowland because we're gonna go to the lunching pad and get us a pretzel for, well, it's not really breakfast time anymore, but for breakfast-ish. Oh, like the castle, so cute. I'm at the lunching pad. You can tell how sweaty and hot I am, I'm sure. And I just mobile ordered a cream cheese pretzel. It's gonna be part of my TikTok video, so follow me on TikTok if you want to see it. Oh, it's already ready. It said it would be ready for a while. That's great. I'm gonna go pick it up. This is crazy. They're already doing like another show. It really is different being here in the summer. Like, it's way hotter, so I still recommend going in the fall because it's less busy and not nearly as hot. But you miss out on a lot because like there's so much going on. And I'm pretty sure they do like a nighttime thing at every park every day in the summer. Like, fireworks don't really not happen in the summer unless there's lightning or something like that that prevents them from doing it. I'm walking back to Main Street to find somewhere to sit and eat because I just want to hang out in Main Street and I just kind of want to do some shopping. So I'm going to see if there are any available seating areas at all. Don't know how I got a seat with a table, but I did. I remember this being better than it is, but maybe Disneyland's are better. Or maybe it's just so hot that I can't fully enjoy it. It is extremely busy, but there's still some rides with low-ish wait times. Maybe because they're doing kind of like a show at the front, so some people are watching that. So I'm gonna get on the People Mover, which is usually a pretty low wait, and it's 20 minutes, so I don't mind waiting.
Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform. Images inside your car. And please supervise younger beings.
I am on the People Mover. I don't think I waited even 20 minutes. I think it was like 10 minutes. And they gave me the whole car to myself, which is so nice.
This
I thought I was going to have to sit with other people.
Non-stop
But no.
Where to open the exit doors. Wazowski, that's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the last floor. Now, this is your first time in the Monster World. There are a few things you should know.
That was actually so fun. Way funnier than I thought it was going to be. They like pick people out of the audience, which is why I didn't really film, because I didn't want to like film people without their permission. But they pick people out of the audience and make jokes, and it's so funny. It's like very interactive, and I thought it was a blast. Next, we're gonna go on Disney's Carousel of Progress. It's only a 5-minute wait, and it's a great way to cool off.
Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash. Imagine, it used to take 2 days.
With our new Crosley radio set, we can get news and big-time entertainment from all over the country, even Pittsburgh.
Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
I forgot that show is 20 minutes long, which is quite long. Wait times actually aren't too bad, but I'm kind of like trying to wait and see if some of the rides I want to go on go to 30 minutes or under. I don't know if that'll happen, but I'm hopeful. But I'm getting kind of hungry. I was gonna get something cold and then just go stand in line, but I think I'm actually gonna go to Pecos Bill's Cafe, I think it's what it's called. It's in Frontierland, so I'm cutting across to Frontierland. Pretty much just me sitting over here, right? Not really anyone like by me, and the parade is going by. There's that fence right there, right? Daisy came up to the fence and said hi to just me, just to be nice. And then Cinderella made sure that she waved at me too, which was just so sweet. It's truly here, it doesn't matter how old you are, like everyone gets a chance to be a kid. And So this is the end of the video because I have split it into 2 parts. It got a little long. So we are going to continue in part 2. Subscribe so you know when I post it, and it should notify you if you hit that little bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!